Hi, I'm Mike from Lake Country, BC. Canadian Tire Tester for Life has sent me a Conair travel steamer to test.
I've put the Conair travel steamer to the test. We've got the reservoir filled about half full. I've switched it on. You can see a nice green light that indicates that it's on. And quite quickly it comes with steam. And as it gets a little bit hotter here, we'll be able to steam the wrinkles out of a garment fairly easily. It's nice to hold. It's not too heavy. It works quite well, actually. My only concern with the steamer is that it's maybe a little difficult to clean the reservoir, but I think you can accomplish that with a vinegar water solution. So as you can see, a wrinkly dress is now fairly wrinkly free in a short amount of time. I would not recommend this travel steamer to my family and friends. The reservoir is full of water, and as you can see, it doesn't drain very well, and it's very hard to know when the reservoir is completely empty. And I'm not sure how you could effectively dry that reservoir to make sure that there was no calcification left in the bottom of the steamer. I think if it was to separate in the middle, you'd be able to get at this area easier and dry it better.